Do this for a living.
What?
That's what I'm saying.
You know what? This is coming from the girl making guacamole.
Guacamole's amazing.
Let me poke your glasses.
No. Chunky guacamole.
But it's like not something you put in. It looks like something that comes out.
Yeah. Salsa.
You
So
know,
what has got hot but mild is only available. Ah, that'd be amazing. Oh no.
already got stuff on the shirt. Know where it gets the nasty looking color from?
I suppose so.
You're supposed to talk while you're doing this.
Yeah, salsa.
Yo,
I need
you
my
got guac
other
on me.
salsa. I got guac on you? Lick it. Or avocado. This is going to be really chunky. Now I need my other.
What's the lemon lime for? Are you about to make a soda?
No, you put that in it too. And then I put mayo. You don't have to put mayo. Some people don't put mayo, but I put mayo. It looks disgusting.
Yes, I am.
Yes.
He probably is one of YouTube or Facebook.
Possibly bloat. Facebook has a video limit. Oh no! What's that spout?
So when you put this in, are you just throwing it in there?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna squeeze it. And then I put something else in it. That's
What's
a
that?
secret.
What's that? You gonna put your foot in it?
No.
That's toe jam.
Worcestershire.
Speak of the English?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
If you can't say it, do it like black people. Just say it quick. Worcestershire sauce.
I'm not black. Just a tad.
That's why you hit the door. That's Jesus saying something to you. I'm not stopping Sugar Daddy running low. Say one thing to the camera.
Guacamole.
Guacamole.